Aspirin inhibits prostaglandins from being formed by blocking an enzyme. Inhibiting prostaglandins reduces inflammation. To understand this process, let's first look at an overview of prostaglandins. We'll start by looking at the cellular membrane. A cell receives trauma, causing a phospholipase A2 to cleave fatty acids from the cell membrane. The fatty acid, or arachidonic acid, moves to enter the enzyme, cyclooxygenase. Once in the enzyme, arachidonic acid is transformed into messenger substances, or prostaglandins, and thromboxanes. Prostaglandins and thromboxanes, COX-1 enzymes, are responsible for normal body functions. COX-2 is induced at sites of inflammation. COX-1 enzymes are responsible for activities like secretion of protective gastric mucus, regulation of gastric acid, and promotion of platelet aggregate. COX-2 enzymes are responsible for activities like increased blood flow, chemotaxis, and subsequent dysfunction of tissues and organs. Aspirin, or acetylcyclic acid, interferes in the process by blocking the cyclooxygenase, preventing arachidonic acids from entering the enzyme. Acetylcyclic acid irreversibly inhibits COX-OH, preventing arachidonic acid from entering and being converted to both COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes. Acetylsalicylic acid combines with cyclooxygenase by acetylating the hydroxyl of a serine residue. The product is a salicylic acid and an active cyclooxygenase. This reaction is represented graphically by the diagram below. Aspirin covalently modifies the COX-2 enzyme through acetylation of the SER530 near its active site, which prevents binding of the native substrate, leading to its irreversible inhibition. With the activation site inhibited, arachidonic acid cannot bind with the enzyme. No binding, no prostaglandin synthesis. No synthesis, no COX-2. No CX2, no major signals for increased blood flow and chemotaxis. With the cyclooxygenase irreversibly inhibited, the signals for inflammation processes aren't being created. Thank you for taking the time to watch my Week 6 Advanced Concepts project.